Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So guys, if you try to log in or sign in your Apple ID on Apple developer, and you will be able to you will be get error like this. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you are properly connected to internet, and after that you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. After checking this, then you have to just simply open general and scroll to below, and here is the option of language and region. So guys, select your correct region, and after that simply again go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your account, and you have to just simply change your password for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID for one time, and after that log into the another Apple ID and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply create a new, you can create also a new account, and you can use this, and you can log into your new Apple ID with Apple developer. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.